Hi everyone, I'm so excited to share with you what I've learned this couple weeks. Thank you for taking time to read my post and leave a comment. Many of you answered my first question, how can I help my children be a learner that willing to act, not just waiting for instruction? So I came up with four answers. So first one is get to know them and build a good relationship with them. So when we get to know them, they feel like we care about them, and when we build a good relationship with them, they feel love and care, and they learn to trust us. So when we say or suggest something to them, they are willing to listen and willing to try. And the second thing is teach children the true meaning of learning. Boyd K. Packer said, true doctrine understood changes behaviors and attitudes. Is that so true? I just remember when my kids were little, I teach them the meaning of hot. I just have a hot cocoa in my hand and I have them to touch it. So when they learn hot, the meaning of hot is going to burn their skin, so they won't do it. They won't touch any hot surface or hot thing when I told them. So this is really helpful. And third one is set example for them. And children is a good observer, so I remember my family, my parents when they were young. When I was young, they sing a lot. They sing when they are tired. They sing when they're sad or happy. I just learned how to sing when I was little because of their example. And the last one is work with the children and praise their work. This can build their confidence in learning new things. So I think these four things that I mentioned, I talk about is a good way to help my kids to be a learner, not just waiting for instruction. So that's it.